Hey everyone, today we're taking a look at Huawei's latest innovation, the Mate XT, a tri-fold, triple-screen foldable smartphone that's creating quite the buzz in the tech world. It's not just a phone, it's a piece of engineering marvel. Let's dive right into it. First off, let's talk about the design. When unfolded, the Mate XT features a massive 10.2-inch OLED display. But when folded twice, it becomes a 6.4-inch standard-sized phone. This three-way foldable design really sets it apart from the other foldables in the market. It's incredibly thin at just 3.6 millimeters when unfolded, and even when folded up, it only reaches 12.8 millimeters in thickness. Huawei claims this is the thinnest portable computing device in the world. I had a short time to test it out, but I was blown away by the hardware quality. The hinge feels sturdy, and the software is well optimized to handle the shifting screen aspect ratios. Now let's talk cameras. The Mate XT packs a 50-megapixel main camera with a variable aperture that can switch between f1.4 and f4. That's right, physical aperture blades open and close based on the lighting conditions. It also has a 5.5x optical zoom periscope camera, and while I didn't get to do in-depth camera tests, the quality looks on par with Huawei's Mate 60 series. If you're a camera enthusiast, the Mate XT delivers. It's a powerful camera system in a foldable form, something that Samsung and Google still haven't matched with their foldables. Under the hood, we're looking at Huawei's self-developed Kirin 9010 chip, paired with 16 gigabytes of RAM and a 5600 mAh battery. While the battery size may seem small for such a large screen, it does support fast charging at 66-watt wired and 50-watt wirelessly. Here's the catch, though. The Mate XT is on sale, but almost no one can get their hands on it. Demand is sky high in China, and with a retail price of around $2,800, it's already sold out everywhere. Resellers are charging up to $6,000 for this phone. So, is the Mate XT the future of foldable phones? It might just be. Huawei's innovation with the tri-fold design and powerful hardware is setting new benchmarks in the mobile industry. But with such a high price and limited availability, this phone is more of a luxury item for now. What do you think? Would you spend that much on a foldable phone? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more hands-on reviews and tech insights. See you in the next one.